This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, oven, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, refrigerator, external shower, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 25 BHE is 6,244 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.